Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be configuring and managing Elasticsearch on Ubuntu. Elasticsearch is one of the most widely used search and analytics engines in the world, powering everything from log management platforms to SIEM solutions and large-scale data analytics environments. By the end of today, you'll know how to start and manage the Elasticsearch service, modify key configuration settings, enable network access, disable security for lab purposes, and verify that everything is running correctly. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what Elasticsearch actually does. Elasticsearch is open source, distributed, RESTful search engine built on Apache Lucene and designed for fast searching and analytics. Common uses include SIEM platforms, log analysis, security monitoring, application monitoring, and large-scale data indexing. Think of Elasticsearch as a massive searchable database that's optimized for speed and analytics. Most Elasticsearch administration tasks are performed through the terminal, so let's open the terminal window. So this command starts the Elasticsearch service immediately. Sudo is to run as administrator, systemctl equals manage system services, start starts the service, and Elasticsearch is the service name. At this point, Elasticsearch should now be running in memory. Starting a service only keeps it running until the next reboot. To make sure Elasticsearch starts automatically every time the system boots, we use the enable command. This is a common configuration step for production servers. Now let's verify that Elasticsearch is running correctly. If you see active and running, the service has started successfully. Press Q to exit. Next, we're going to modify the main Elasticsearch configuration file. Nano is the text editor, and elasticsearch.yml equals main configuration file. This file controls how Elasticsearch behaves and communicates on the network. By default, Elasticsearch only listens locally. Setting the network host to 0000 allows Elasticsearch to listen on all available network interfaces. All the zeros mean it will accept connections from any network interface and allow remote systems to connect. This is useful for testing and multi-system environments, but in production environments, you would normally restrict access and secure the service properly. Next, we'll configure the discovery settings. Discovery is used when Elasticsearch nodes communicate with each other. Empty brackets indicate no remote discovery hosts. For a single node lab environment, this configuration helps simplify startup and avoids unnecessary cluster discovery attempts. We're now disabling xPack security for this lab environment. What xPack normally provides is authentication, authorization, encryption, and user management. Disabling security makes testing easier in a controlled lab environment, but you should never do this on a production system. Press Ctrl S to save and Ctrl X to exit. Once our changes are complete, we'll save the configuration and exit the editor. Whenever service-related configuration changes are made, it's good practice to reload the system manager. Daemon reload reloads the systemd configuration. Now we'll restart Elasticsearch so it loads our new configuration settings. This applies all the changes we just made. Finally, let's verify that Elasticsearch successfully restarted using our updated configuration. If the service is active and running, our configuration changes were successful. Elasticsearch is a critical component in many modern security and monitoring platforms, including SIEM solutions and log analysis systems. Understanding how to configure and manage it is an important skill for both system administrators and cybersecurity professionals. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other content. Thanks for watching. I'm CyberEd, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.